quick, clean, and intuitive solution. We will evaluate 1 over sine 10 degrees minus square root 3 over cosine 10 degrees. Step 1. Combine the fractions with a common denominator. Sine 10 degrees times cosine 10 degrees. Step 2. Simplify the numerator with a clever sign difference trick. Factor out 2 to match special values 1/2 and root 3 over 2. Recognize 1/2 as sine 30 degrees and root 3 over 2 as cosine 30 degrees. Then the pattern is sine of 30 minus 10, so the numerator becomes 2 times sine 20 degrees. Step 3. Simplify the denominator using the double angle identity. 2 times sine theta cosine theta equals sine of 2 theta. Therefore, sine 10 degrees times cosine 10 degrees equals 1/2 sine 20 degrees. Now, assemble the fraction. We have 2 times sine 20 divided by 1/2 times sine 20. Sine 20 cancels top and bottom. 2 divided by 1/2 equals 4. So the value is 4.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on MuyVerse Maths.